Everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a few weeks since I posted the last video. It's crazy, like it always is, but we're here today. We're gonna go over some fun colors, do a little color swatching from Born Pretty. Yay, a little bit of nail art, so lots of fun stuff. Make sure you get comfortable and let's get started. So Born Pretty sent out this collection to me. There are 6 colors, Macaron collection. They actually sent it out a couple months ago, so I do apologize, Born Pretty, for the delay, and I appreciate your patience so much. They've been so kind to send out product. I've already reviewed their base coat and top coat, wear review, couple clients testing it out over weeks, so I'll make sure to link that video at the end of this one. That way you can check it out if you haven't. But I've already reviewed their product. It is amazing. I've already swatched some of their colors. They're always very consistent. So I have no doubt that this collection will be the same, but you guys are gonna be the judge of that because I'm gonna do it all in front of your eyes and you'll let me know if you agree. So as usual, we always do a little unboxing, see how it's packaged, and then we go over the swatches. And in the swatches, I like to see the overall consistency of the gel polish. Is it too thick, too thin, easy to apply, things like that. And also want to see what the coverage is like. Are we getting the coverage that we expect in 2 coats, or do we need a little bit extra? Now for today, I did a little bit different. I actually am gonna do 1 or 2 colors, swatching it on actual clients' hands, so that way we're polishing real time, seeing how it applies with the base coat and with the top coat, how the coverage looks on the client's hands, and then we're gonna finish the swatching on the normal swatches that I usually do on some false tips or fake nails. So we'll go over that, and at the end show you a little bit of art that I was able to create with these colors. Really, really cute. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get in this unboxing, see what we're gonna be swatching, and get to it. So here we have Born Pretty Professional Nail Art. And in here we have a couple of colors. Let's see what we are working with. Ooh. So we have 6 colors in this kit, and they come with their user manual, which also has barcodes. Really nice. You can watch videos to show you how to do it if you're more of a visual person, or just simply read along. Although all gel polish, for the most part, will have the same steps. So here we have 6 total colors. I really do like the packaging. It is super foolproof. It keeps it nice and intact, really, really convenient. So let's not waste any more time and discover these lovely colors and swatch them out. So we got 6 colors that we're gonna be checking out. Let's get into it, first impressions, and see how this consistency and coverage is across the board for the colors in this set. So first impressions so far, definitely really great with both of these clients. No application issues whatsoever. Great coverage, which we always expect from Born Pretty. And overall, really great application. But let's finish swatching out the rest of these 4 colors to finish this off. All right, so let's swatch the next color. This one is BPCS03. Definitely a very nice, rich, I wouldn't say totally baby pink, a little more intense than baby pink. You could already see how thick and rich that consistency and that coverage is likely going to be. Look at that, one coat. This is just one coat of coverage. I'm definitely going to still put a second coat, but look at that. And that's a totally clear nail. You can see right through it, and there's no sheer spot. Really nice coverage. Let's finish this one up. So here we go, 2 coats, top coat, really, really pretty color, great coverage, great consistency. Let's check out the next one. Next one up is BPCS01. This is definitely a very, very soft, pale pink. If you know OPI, I would probably say this is very like, let's be friends. Let's go ahead and swatch this out. Cute color. This one's definitely a little softer in coverage versus the other 3 that we've already swatched. Really, really pretty color. Let's go ahead and cure this and get a second coat so we can see the finished product. And here we go. This is 2 coats. Depending on the nail plate or your client's pigmentation on their nail, it's possible you might need a 3rd coat, but it is a lovely, lovely soft pink, really great consistency, super cute color. Let's move on to the next. Next up, we're gonna swatch out BPCS05, definitely looking like a soft blue, a little deeper than a powder blue. The consistency and coverage on this one, yup, look at that, 1 coat. I mean, you really could get away with like 1 coat coverage. I just like having the 2 coats. I feel like it's just extra layer of protection, but look at that, 1 coat. It is fully, fully covered. Let's finish this one up. And here we go, 2 coats of coverage, top coat, beautiful, beautiful color. We are loving it. All right, let's check out the last color. So the last and final color to swatch is BPCS06. This one is looking like a really cute, kind of minty green. Consistency, a little tiny bit thinner than some of the other ones, but definitely not as soft as the baby pink. Beautiful. You can see a second coat is definitely needed because you can see a couple of those little soft spots there, but 1 coat to get this much coverage is still really, really awesome. Super pigmented. Let's finish this one up. And here we go. Last color to swatch, 2 coats of color, top coat, beautiful, beautiful color, great pigmentation, great coverage, very vibrant, loving it. Now I didn't want to just swatch the colors, so I went ahead and did a couple of nail sets using some of their colors, using all of them really. This one I focused on just the pink tones with a little bit of gold accent. Geometric designs have been super popular this summer, at least around these parts. Comment down below if geometric is hot near you, and abstract. You can never go wrong with abstract. And on this one I incorporated a couple of much deeper, more intense colors to contrast a little bit, a couple of white splecks in there. And you could definitely even make a couple of these nails matte on each set just to give it a little extra pizzazz. But abstract has definitely been another hot thing. I even used some of their colors to do my nail design, which I needed something quick and easy, so I just swirled a couple colors in with this pink that I've been wanting to use. Super, super cute. Comment down below what you think on these cute nail art designs. Comment what you think about the colors if you've tried it or you want to. Super cute. I'm loving this one. So there we have it, everyone. You have 6 colors in this collection. Across the board, definitely really good with consistency and coverage. and ease of application, really nice and thick, so it's really great for nail art. And there's so many ideas that you can put together for nail art with these colors, mixing it up. But really, really cute. Definitely drop a comment down below on what you thought of the colors. Let me go ahead and give you the details of this kit. All of it's going to be in the description. But if you want to get your hands on this kit or any of the other Born Pretty kits, you can go to bornpretty.com. And for the kits, you're going to go to UV gel polish sets, and you'll see on there a bunch of different sets. But this particular set is the Macaron color collection. It is $22.76 for the 6 colors. When you add to cart and you're checking out, make sure that you're applying the discount code OhMyGel for a 10% off. You'll get 10% off any of the full price items that are on the website. So that is all that I have for you today. Make sure you drop your comments down below and let me know what you thought. And thank you again, Born Pretty, for sending me out colors. I absolutely love trying them out, testing them out, and showing them to everyone who wants to check it out. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I appreciate all of you guys for checking in and watching the video. And if you haven't subscribed already, then you guys know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, get your notifications on, because nowhere else is going to give you reviews as thorough for nail products, or all the best tips that's gonna help improve the health of your natural nails, as well as give you the longest lasting manicure. So thank you so much for those who have subscribed, and I look forward to all those new subs. Thank you so much, everyone, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.